What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be using those plywoods. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. In this channel we do makeover videos, transformation videos and DIYs and many more. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, kindly consider subscribing to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So the plywoods that I'm going to be using in this video today are 3mm plywoods, and I did cut them 16 inches by 4 feet. Those are the measurements of these pieces, as you can see. And for one back, because I'm going to be making high chairs or countertop chairs, and I'm going to be making 2 of them. So if you want to know the measurements for the top part or the sitting area of the countertop chair, those are the measurements that we're gonna need if you want to try something like this. So for these plywoods, I'm going to be using 16 inches by 48 inches or 4 feet for the top part of it. So I'm going to be attaching 3 pieces of them using wood glue. As you can see, I'm going to be applying enough wood glue on both sides of the plywood, and I said I'm going to be using 3 pieces per chair, as you can see. And then after that I'm going to be attaching them together, and I'll be using screw nails to attach them, and I'm going to be leaving them for some period of time. So this is the sitting area. As you can see, I've already cut the shape there, as you can see, and I've used the nails to attach it around the sitting area, as you can see, because I wanted them to curve as that. And then after attaching them like this, I'm going to be leaving them for 2 days to dry up and the shape to remain like that. So I've already told you I'm going to be making 2 of them. As you can see, I have 2 of them, so I'm going to be leaving them to dry up. The other thing that I had to do later on was making these legs or the bottom part of the high chairs, as you can see. So the measurements, the height for this one was, I don't know, because I made these things a while back, but the height was around 2.5, yeah, 2.5 feet if I'm not wrong. And then the top part was 13 by 13 inches. Yeah, so you can just do the maths. And then the bottom part, because it slants, the bottom part is about 16 by 16 inches. Yeah, so those are the measurements that I did use, and I was going to be painting them black because the client wanted them black and white. Because I'm saying white because the fabric that we are going to be using is kind of white. The other thing I did after the 2 days was tracing out this piece of box so that I can use it to trace out this frame. As you can see, I've already drawn the shape, and I'm going to be using a jigsaw to cut out this shape, as you can see. So if this is the kind of videos that you do like, kindly consider subscribing to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Don't forget to like this video, comment on it, tell me what you think about the whole process, and keep watching the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, processes, materials, tools and everything that I applied during the making process of these 2 chairs.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Now I'm going to be using this quick fix glue, or you can use contact glue, to attach foams on the frames. The foams that I'm going to be using are 1 inch, but I'm going to be adding some more during the process. So I'm going to be using 1 inch, 1 on the inner side and the other one on the outer side, as you can see. And then I'm going to be using the same quick fix glue or contact glue to attach them at the top part. I'm going to be showing you how I did fix that. As you can see, I joined them at the top, and that is the shape of the top part of this chair. The other thing that I did use was the Dicron, that is to smoothen the chair. This fabric, not the fabric, this Dicron, as you can see, it smoothened the chair before adding or putting the fabric on. And the fabric, I did stitch them, but the first thing that I did was trace the shape of this one and cut out the shape, and then I did make this shape. As you can see, I've already made it, and then I'm going to be putting it, and I'll be using a staple gun to do the rest. So I'm going to be leaving you at this so that you can just watch the video and understand everything that I did during this process. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family. Tell me what you think about the video, and I'll see you in my next videos.